Hello everyone. Today we will compare Acorns and Robinhood, two of the most popular investing platforms in the world. So whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the differences between these platforms is crucial. So let's dive into the world of investing and find out which app might be the right choice for your financial journey. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, pros and cons, investment and strategy and philosophy, security and regulation, and at the end of the video, I hope you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Acorns and Robinhood, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I'll earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let's compare their unique features. So when it comes from being a trading platform, as you can see, Acorns utilizes automated investing, while Robinhood uses more of like DIY investings, or let's just say manual investing. And when it comes to their tradable securities, Acorns offers 5 ETF portfolios and also retirement accounts. So this is very important when it comes on investing, while the Robinhood itself has their stocks, ETFs options, cryptocurrency, ADRs, and fractional shares that the Acorns doesn't have. So that's it. So when it comes to their mobile apps, some of their website features will be enhanced. So Acorns will be simplified when it comes to investing and saving, while the Robinhood application will have customizable alerts and advanced charting compared to their website. And yeah, so another features is their research and data. So as you can see, Acorns also offers a basic financial education materials for the people to learn. So also the Robinhood can be, people can have access to professional research but only with the gold subscription. So if you're using Robinhood, they have a subscription called gold or premium subscription that you need to have in order to have the research data. And yeah, that's it for the features. And now let's talk about the pricing. So when it comes to pricing, when it comes to account fees, Acorns has two subscriptions. So it is Acorns Personal, which is $3 per month, and Acorns Family, which is $5 per month. But when it comes to Robinhood, as you can see, there's no maintenance for opening an account or closing an account, but there will be a $75 fee if you want to transfer out an account, but it doesn't matter anyway. So yeah, the account fees is zero. So when it comes to minimum deposits, Acorns doesn't need to have payment in order to open an account, but if you want to invest, the minimum deposit is $5. While the Robinhood doesn't need any payment if you want to open an account, and also there's no payment or there's no minimum deposit if you want to invest. And yeah, that's it. So when it comes to their trading commission, as you can see, Acorns doesn't have any commissions, any transactional fees or asset fees for accounts under $1 million. So if your accounts exceed the $1 million limit, you will get transactional fees or asset fees when trading. But in case of Robinhood, there's no commission that they will get on options and ETFs, but there will be regulatory fees on options trading. But when it comes to stock trading fees, as you can see, Acorns doesn't have any stock trading features, but in Robinhood case, they have stock trading features, but they don't have any fees when you're doing tradings there. And yeah, that's it for their pricing. So now let's talk about their investment strategy and philosophy. So when it comes to their target audience, as you can see, Acorns targets hands-off investors and those who struggle to save money. So this is their target audience, while the Robinhood target audience is the beginners looking to choose their own stocks and ETFs. So that's the difference between their target audience. But when it comes to the users' involvement, so as you can see, they have quite a difference when it comes to users' involvement. As you can see, Acorns offers minimal users involvement since, as I said earlier, it is already automated, so less work needed for trading right here, while the Robinhood itself has a high user involvement since it is a manual or DIY investment and the users select and manage their own investment. So yeah, that's it. So when it comes to the risk management, as you can see, Acorns has 5 portfolios, diversified portfolios designed to reduce risk. So they already have portfolios for you to use and reduce the risk of your trading, while the Robinhood itself must manage their own risk based on individual choices. So users must know how to manage their risk. So when it comes to long-term strategy, as you can see, since Acorns is focused on the diversified portfolios, they are more likely long-term since they are automated and not manual. But on the Robinhood case, as you can see, it's suitable for both long-term and investment short-term trading. So this is very flexible for Robinhood compared to Acorns. And yeah, that's it for their investment strategy and philosophy. Now let's talk about their security and regulation. So as you can see, when it comes to regulatory oversight, as you can see, Acorns is regulated by SEC and FINRA. Same with Robinhood, that is also regulated by SEC and FINRA, so they're just the same. And also, when it comes to SIPC protection, both platforms are protected up to $500,000. Same with the data encryption. They use 256-bit encryptions, and when it comes to two-factor or 2FA, both platforms have it. So also when you talk about account monitoring, Acorns have a continuous fraud monitoring, but same with Robinhood that offers real-time notification and market data. So all of their account monitoring is pretty good. And when it comes to user verification, they're just the same. They requires verification for account setup. So mostly on the security and regulation, both Acorns and Robinhood is the same. Their reputation has been good, and you can assure that your money or your investment will be safe with them. So now that's it for the security and regulation. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Acorns and Robinhood. So when it comes to Acorns pros, as you can see, Acorns uses automated investing. As I said earlier, that is ideal for hands-off investors who prefer to a set it and forget it approaches. And also it has round-off feature, and it allows users to invest per change automatically from everyday purchases. Also, it offers retirement accounts which are ROTH, traditional, and SCP, international retirement accounts. And also, Acorns provides basic financial education materials for users for them to learn more about financing and investment and also trading. And also, they utilize ESG investing so that users can choose an ESG, environmental, social, governance portfolio team. So when it comes to the cons of Acorns, as you can see, it imposes a monthly fee that isn't dependent on account amount, making it inefficient for modest balance. So yeah, that's quite a letdown for Acorns, but also they offers just 5 ETF portfolio options, and it doesn't even facilitate the trading of individual stocks. So yeah, the stock trading opportunity cannot be utilized on Acorn. And also, it is not an active trading platform, so it's not applicable to those who wish to trade stocks or other security actively because it's, automated. So that's it for Acorn's pros and cons. Now let's talk about Robinhood. So when it comes to Robinhood pros, as you can see, it offers commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency, and it also possesses an intuitive interface. So Robinhood is, renowned for its user-friendly web and smartphone application. And also they offers, more investment possibilities than Acorns. So such as, fractional shares and specific stocks. So stock trading in the sense. So also they enabled customers to begin investing with no required minimum amount. So now let's talk about the Robinhood cons. And as you can see, Robinhood doesn't provide IRA style retirement account, which is very important for people who wants to have a retirement account when it comes to investing. And yet, Robinhood doesn't provide it, so it's a letdown. And also, even while it provides chat service around the clock, some users could find it less tailored than traditional brokerage. So yeah, and also they have been under investigation and fined for its business methods and customer trade handling. Although this is on the past, it's already solved right now, but people can still use it against their reputation. So we're done now with the pros and cons. Now let's talk about which platform is the best for you. So when it comes to people who should choose Acorns, so Acorns is preferable for someone who would rather take a hands-off approach, who wants their portfolio to be managed by an automated investing service budget, and also people who doesn't need to grasp complicated financial markets and looking for a straightforward entrance point into investing, and also people who likes the concept of using the roundup feature from regular purchases to micro invest, and also the people who have an interest in environmental, social, and governance or ESG consideration and want to invest in socially conscious portfolios that prioritize these aspects. And also the people who search for an IRA platform that provides alternatives like traditional ROTH and SCP IRAs, and also the people who want to have an access to basic financial education resources in order to gain additional knowledge about investment and personal finance, and also those with small balance who don't mind paying a monthly fee structure that may find it more affordable when their balance increases. So yeah, that's it. So if you have all of these qualities, I should say that Acorns is perfect for you. So now let's talk about the people who should choose Robinhood. So Robinhood is referable for someone who take pleasure in trading stocks, option, ETFs, and cryptocurrency in a hands-on manner or manual method. And also people who want to use a easy platform and value a simple, easy to use online interface and app, and also the people who want to trade a wide range of securities, so interested in trading fractional shares among other investment alternatives, and also the people who value instant access to funds, someone who take advantage of instant access to funds after selling stocks or depositing up to a predetermined amount, and also the people who want to begin investing without having to maintain a minimum amount, and also the people who prefer to have an access to financial news, expert research and market statistics, and also people who at ease utilizing technology to handle their money. And yeah, if you have all of this quality, I say that Robinhood is perfect for you. So now we are done discussing which platform is the best for you. So to conclude, distinct characteristics that appeal to various investor types are provided by both Acorns and Robinhood. With its emphasis on long-term growth and automated contributions, Acorns streamlines the investing process and is the perfect choice for individuals who would rather take a hands-off approach. On the other hand, Robinhood's commission-free business model and extensive selection of investment possibilities make it appealing to aggressive traders, and your decision between Robinhood and Acorns should take into account to your desired level of involvement in managing your assets, your financial goals, and your investment style. So be mindful that there is no one size fits all approach to investing, and that what suits the one individual may not suit another. So we're done comparing both platforms, and now the only question left is which platform will you choose? And that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.